Hey, happy Tuesday, everybody. Sean coming at you from High Level. So this is an awesome update on really for the developers out there. So for those of you who don't know this, we have a first-class developer API, and we support and love and advocate heavily for developers and integrations into the platform. So if you haven't seen it before, it's developers.gohighlevel.com. Go check it out. All the docs are there. But today we're going to talk about we are moving towards an in-app marketplace inside High Level so that your apps can get visibility directly to all users automatically within apps market within High Level. And so to facilitate that, we are launching a brand new process for app reviews. So basically, if you go look when you're using the API, there's a version 1, version 2. Make sure you're using version 2. When you do version 2, you're registering your app into the marketplace. And what you can see here is that we have a new process, and you can see, well, how does this work? Basically, new apps go into a draft status. Once the app configuration is completed, the developer can submit it for review. The High Level Marketplace team will take the review and look at the app and either approve or disapprove it. Approved apps will go live. Disapproved apps will get feedback. Do the existing apps in the marketplace need to go through review? Yes, they do. Existing public apps require a review for being available to customers. If the app is disapproved, we'll receive an email, blah, 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 blah. Okay, do all these changes made through the app go through the review process? No. In the case where you make updates later on, you don't have to get it reapproved. How do different app statuses work? Draft, review, you can see all that. App versioning, you can kind of pause the video, look at that. What happens if an app is deleted from the marketplace? You can see that. How do private apps work? You can see that. Now, what's the point here? The point here is we want to make sure that we are putting through a quality process, right? So this is basically our ability to start creating a QA process around apps that independent developers want to put into our marketplace. The downside for developers, I'm sure, I'm an engineer myself, I've done this myself, I was like, oh, boo, who wants to have our app reviewed? But on the upside, we don't have, the nice thing is if you get approved, you're kind of you've passed the quality checks, and now we don't have a marketplace full of garbage apps that weren't double checked by anybody. So anyways, this is basically that announcement. Heads up to everybody who has an app in the marketplace. Let's see, we've got a couple screenshots here. Do you want to submit your app for review? This is what it'll look like. You can sort of see how, if it's in review, you have scopes and all this wonderful stuff. You can start to see how this works. This is kind of on the back end for our team and get history, this and that, da, 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 da. Let me see if there's anything. Oh, do you want to disapprove? Okay, great. Are you sure you want to approve? Great. Yeah, this is all for our team. So, okay, anyways, that is the gist of that. On that note, I hope you're having an awesome Tuesday, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.